guys are there, I might as well start a trailer. Hey guys, and welcome to my trailer. It's always my birthday. Hey everybody, I am Julio, welcome to a vlog. Hey guys, my name is Julio Gets Work, welcome back to another video. I actually wanted to address this for a long time. I wake up every day and check my social medias, check Instagram, check Snapchat. Basically, in this video, as you can see by the title, 10 things I hate about school. Build a roof, and yeah, we're done with our house. I finally got a calendar for my channel, 12 facts about me.
Yo guys, it's Silva, welcome back to another video.
In Brazil, at church, I could be anywhere. Teleportation, right? This is the start of my basically documentary, I guess. That's what I'll call it.
Hey, hello and Happy New Year.
I haven't like probably looked at myself in the camera. This is so weird. Sometimes we say so many unnecessary things that hurt others, things that hurt ourselves even.
Finally testing this camera.
You see, the good weather only is good because of the bad weather.
Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone's had a good first few days.
No matter what your interest is, the key is to hold on to it. Our interests are the most powerful assets we have, and we can use them to make a difference in the world. It's London, which this video will prove is the best city.
Oh my God. Look at that. You can see the whole of America from here.
Now, sunset's just ending. Look at this. Inside this box is something that's going to revolutionize my content. Let's open it. Come on. Get out of here. Oh my God. Get out! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, say hello to my new Sony A7IV. Oh my God! I can't believe this is not real. This isn't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. I didn't even see that. I'm speechless. Paperwork. Probably will never look at that ever in my life. So, we get presented with a very nice Sony leather strap. This is actually, let me hear it. Wow. USB-C to USB Type A. A battery. Okay. Oh my God. Let's put this to the side. It's in here. I'm scared to open it. There we go. Wow! Oh my God, this camera's beautiful. It's so tiny. It's so much smaller than my own. Like it just feels like a little toy. First look into the full frame 7K sensor. Let's see if I can get this. Wow! Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's just perfect. It feels amazing in my hands. This is just the body. This obviously needs a lens. And let me show you the lens I'm gonna pair it with. This is the Sigma 28 to 70 f2.8 for Sony E-mount full frame. This lens is actually very good for its price. Obviously it's the little brother to the 24 to 70, but honestly it's still an amazing lens. So let's get it open. Look at this. Oh my god, like this is not real. For those who don't know, this is my first ever full frame camera. Oh my, it doesn't, this is my, I just looked at it again like this is my, my goodness, you are beautiful. In my hand, like it just fits perfectly. Oh, that is, oh my god, that is solid. I'm not used to that. Is it because it's new? That is so firm. Look at, oh my god. Who would have thought in all these years that I've been making videos, I'd have this in my hands one day. Oh my. Well, let's put the battery in and power it on. Well, I don't think there's a better way to end this video than by showing what I look like in this camera. Sorry guys, I'm a bit lost for words. Wow. So, how are we looking then? Oh my god, this camera is insane. I don't know what to say. This is fully autofocus. Obviously, it's not news that Sony's autofocus is amazing. I just put my camera down on the tripod, press record, and I don't have to worry. I can literally move anywhere, and I'll be in focus. Oh my, this has changed my life. Well, that's that for today. A lot more to come from this beauty of a camera, and I can't wait. It sounds so neat. Wow. Yeah, that's that. Goodbye.